So we can start with the topic alkaloids. Alkaloids. So we'll be dealing with the classification, source, structure, and physiological functions of nicotine, quinine, and piperine. So first we can see what is meant by alkaloids. So alkaloids are defined as a class of nitrogenous bases, generally of plant origin, which have structures containing one or more nitrogenous heterocyclic rings in it, and they have marked physiological action. This is the general definition of alkaloids. However, several exceptions and anomalies are known. So we can see the exceptions to the general definition of alkaloids. First, in the definition, we have seen that these are organic bases. Piperine, an alkaloid which is extracted from black pepper, is not basic. And the next character is it is of plant origin. Purines are of plant origin, but they are not alkaloids. And alkaloids of animal origin and synthetic origin are also now known. They have structures containing one or more nitrogen heterocyclic rings, and the exception is ephedrine. Nitrogen is not present as part of a heterocyclic ring but elsewhere in the molecule. And these alkaloids have marked physiological action. Mainly they are having toxic physiological action. But piperine, the alkaloid from black pepper, it is not having any toxic physiological functions. Anyway, most of the alkaloids so far conform to the general definition. Then about the general properties of alkaloids. The general properties. First one, there are 6. First one, the majority of alkaloids are colorless crystalline solids. Exceptions are quinine and nicotine, which are liquids. And the second general property is they are insoluble in water. Insoluble or sparingly soluble in water, and they are soluble in organic solvents. Again, the exceptions are the liquid alkaloids, quinine and nicotine. And the third general property is they are generally optically active, majority being levorotatory. And the fourth property is they are basic in nature. So they react with the acids to form salts. These salts generally soluble in water. In the fifth character, solutions of alkaloids in dilute mineral acids react with certain reagents to form compounds with characteristic colors and melting points. These reagents used for identification of alkaloids and hence are known as alkaloidal reagents. Most alkaloids possess significant physiological activity. Then we can see the chemical classification of alkaloids. The chemical classification of alkaloids is based on the prominent heterocyclic ring system present in its molecule. There are 10 classes, and to remember it easily, in these 10 classes we can see that 6 of them start with P and 4 with, and there is also an order, quinoline, isoquinoline, indole, tropine. So we can see the 10 classes. First one is phenyl ethylamine alkaloids. Second one, pyridine alkaloids. Third, pyrrolidine alkaloids. Fourth one, pyridine pyrrolidine alkaloids. And then piperidine alkaloids, quinoline alkaloids, isoquinoline alkaloids, indole alkaloids, tropine alkaloids, and phenanthrene alkaloids. This we have to remember, and we are interested in the chemical classification and 10 classes of these alkaloids. There are other methods of classification too. They are the botanical classification and the pharmacological method. And the botanical method, it depends on the genus in which these alkaloids occur, and the pharmacological method depends on the physiological activity of the alkaloids. Again, when we look at the classes, it is first class phenylethylamine, pyridine, pyrrolidine, piperidine, quinoline, isoquinoline, indole, tropine, and phenanthrene alkaloids. Next, we can see the individual members. 3 members are included in our syllabus. First one being nicotine. We can see its a structure, source, physiological activity. In the chemical classification, it belongs to the pyridine pyrrolidine alkaloid. When we look at the structure, we can see that there is a pyridine heterocyclic ring and also a pyrrolidine heterocyclic ring present in the molecule. That is why it is called a pyridine pyrrolidine alkaloid. So when we look at the structure of nicotine, we can see that the chemical formula is C10H14N2, and the systematic naming is N-methyl 2-beta pyridyl pyrrolidine. That is its name. So it is extracted from the leaves of tobacco plant, Nicotina tabacum, and it is present in 0.6 to 8% as it's a salts of malic and citric acid. When we look at the physiological activity, it is found to be extremely poisonous. In small doses, it temporarily stimulates the central nervous system. Afterwards, causes depression, increases heartbeat, causes constriction of blood vessels, thereby increasing blood pressure and disturbing blood distribution. In higher doses, 30 to 50 milligram, it is lethal and causes respiratory paralysis and death. And the next member included in the syllabus is quinine. Quinine is a piperidine alkaloid. It is having a piperidine heterocyclic ring, that is pyridine on adding hydrogen, on reduction we will get piperidine. It is having a piperidine nitrogen heterocyclic in its structure. So here quinine, it is C8H17N, is alpha N propyl piperidine. Alpha N propyl piperidine. Piperidine, it is a six-membered ring with nitrogen without any double bonds. So it is extracted from this quinine is extracted from the hemlock herb, which is Conium maculatum, and this quinine, which is basic in nature, it exists as it's a salt of malic and caffeic acid in the hemlock herb. It is a highly poisonous chemical, natural product. It affects the central nervous system, causing gradual paralysis followed by convulsions and followed by death. And it is the chemical responsible for the death sentence of Socrates, the great Greek philosopher, in 399 BC. So it is having toxic physiological action. And the next one is piperine. Piperine is a piperidine alkaloid. It is having a piperidine nitrogen heterocyclic in its molecule. Piperin, its formula is C17H19NO3 1,5,1,3 benzodioxazole oxo 2,4 pentadienyl piperidine. So this is piperidine, this is benzodioxazole 5 oxo, and here it is the attachment. So here we have a pentadienyl system. It is attached to the piperidine nucleus. Physiological activity. Dietary piperin, it is not having any toxic physiological action. It is, the source is pepper, black pepper, Piper nigrum. Dietary piperin, it enhances the digestive capacity by stimulating the digestive enzymes of pancreas and significantly reduces the gastrointestinal food transit time. It also have analgesic, antipyretic, anti-inflammatory, anticonvulsant and CNS depressant activities. So that's about the portion alkaloids. So thank you.